Hello UPCAT takers, this is Sachika. Today, let's try to solve this problem. So, we have the equation x is equal to the radical 3x to the power of k plus 10 with a root of 2k. So, usually, what I do kapag may radical is I try to eliminate it. So, since this radical has an index of 2k, we can eliminate the radical by raising both sides to the power of 2k. So, now we have x to the power of 2k is equal to 3x to the power of k plus 10. So now, gawin nating simpler yung equation natin. So as you can see, dito sa left side, we have x to the power of 2k. Pero yung pinapahanap is x to the power of k. So let's try to think kung paano natin mapapalabas yung x to the power of k. Recall your laws of exponents. We can rewrite x to the power of 2k as x to the power of k to the power of 2. This is the power of a power rule. So as you can see, meron na tayong x to the power of k. So from here, let's try to transfer yung nasa right side to the left side. We will now have x to the power of k to the power of 2 minus 3x to the power of k minus 10 is equal to 0. Na kung mapapansin nyo, if you treat x to the power of k as one variable, magbumukha siyang quadratic equation, right? Para di siya nakakalito, let's assign a different variable for x to the power of k. Let's say it's equal to n. So now our equation is n squared minus 3n minus 10 is equal to 0. So mas clear na ngayon that it is a quadratic equation. Yung variable nga lang natin is x to the power of k. So let's solve this quadratic equation. What two numbers when multiplied will give you negative 10, pero pag inad mo, magiging negative 3. Diba that is negative 5 and positive 2. So we have n minus 5 times n plus 2 is equal to 0. So meaning yung n natin is just 5 and negative 2. Now again, n is just x to the power of k. We have a condition here that k is a positive integer. So sure na tayo that any number raised to 5 will be positive, pero what about negative 2? For this one, recall your negative power rule. If you have a raised to negative n, that's just equal to 1 over a to the power of n. So magiging positive pa din siya. So that means our answer ay pwedeng 5 or negative 2. So I hope this helped you in studying for the UPCAT.